The Jio Prima 4G, a new phone from Reliance Jio, has been released. At the Indian Mobile Congress 2023, the company unveiled the phone and revealed that it would go on sale around Diwali. You can purchase the phone from the Jio Mart website. YouTube and WhatsApp are among the social media apps that come pre-installed on the Jio Prima 4G, a feature phone with an elegant design. Let's have a look at its price and other features. The Jio Prima 4G features a 2.4-inch TFT display with a resolution of 320 x 240 pixels, a 0.3-megapixel front-facing camera, and a flashlight. This Jio phone has 512 megabytes of RAM and a storage capacity of 128 gigabytes that can be expanded with a micro SD card. It has ARM Cortex-A53 processor and runs the AI OS operating system, which ensures smooth performance. The Jio Prima 4G has Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity and an 1800 mAh battery, which provides enough power to keep your phone running for an extended period of time. The Jio Prima 4G includes an FM radio, which is ideal for listening to your favorite stations while on the go. YouTube, Jio TV, Jio Cinema, Jio Saavn, and Jio News are also pre-installed on the phone. Users can also access Cinema and Jio Pay for enhanced functionality. Jio Prima 4G phone is priced at 2,599 rupees in India. That's all from the tech review of Jio Prima 4G. For more such tech reviews, please follow us. Do tell us what you think about this video in comments section, and for more tech reviews subscribe to Aaj Tak AI.